Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. Open the settings, then find and select System and Enroll Advanced. Mark Backup and click on Add Account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi because otherwise you will not be able to add your Google account as the backup one. Obviously, if you are already logged in with your Google account, it will be uploaded automatically, but if you are not, you will have to provide the details. So enter your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address. And mark Next. Okay, so there is a typo. And then click on Next. Now enter the password. Just let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on Next. And click on Turn on Backup. Here you will have Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. If you want to read it, just mark the particular document and read it carefully. And if you do agree, click on I agree. But actually you have no other option because otherwise you will not be able to go further in this process. So just mark I agree and click on Turn on to activate Google Backup. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.